Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture of Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera, English Medium School, Amreli. Today's topic is the nicknames for countries across the world. This topic is of standard third and subject is general knowledge. Okay, let's we learn the different nicknames for a countries. We all know that if any your friend or in your family member anyone have a nickname that we can call him or her as a his nickname. Like that, some countries have a nicknames, that is different countries is nickname is defined by its personal or any characteristics. So let's we see the different nicknames of countries. Here you can see that first of all we know in Asian countries, the Philippines, the nickname of Philippines is the Pearl of the Orient Seas, the Pearl of the Orient Seas. Then Thailand, the nickname of Thailand is Land of Smiles, Land of Smiles. Then Sri Lanka, the nickname of Sri Lanka is India's Teardrop, India's Teardrop. Then fourth one, South Korea. The nickname of South Korea is Land of the Morning Sun, Land of Morning Sun. North Korea, nickname of North Korea is the Hermit Kingdom, the Hermit Kingdom. Then Japan, the nickname of Japan is Land of the Rising Sun, Land of the Rising Sun. Then Mongolia, the nickname of Mongolia is Land of Blue Sky, Land of Blue Sky. Indonesia. Then China, the Emerald of Equator is nickname of Indonesia, and the Red Dragon is the nickname of China. Bhutan, Land of the Thunder Dragon. The nickname of Bhutan is Land of the Thunder Dragon. Then Singapore, the nickname of Singapore is the Lion City. And next one, Afghanistan, the nickname of Afghanistan is Graveyard of Empire. Then Hong Kong, Asia's World City. Nickname of Hong Kong is Asia's World City. Then Macau, the nickname of Macau is Vegas of the East. And the Myanmar, Land of the Golden Pagodas. Then these all are the nickname of Europe. In that Ukraine, first one is Ukraine, the bread basket of Europe, bread basket of Europe. Then Switzerland, Land of Milk and Honey. Switzerland, the nickname of Switzerland is Land of Milk and Honey. Italy, the nickname of Italy is the Boot. Then Ireland, the nickname of Ireland is the Emerald Isle. Then Iceland, Land of Fire and Ice, Land of Fire and Ice. Then France, nickname of France is El Hexagon. Finland, the nickname of Finland is Land of Thousands Lakes, Land of Thousands Lakes. Then England, the nickname of England is land of hope and glory. Then Belarus, nickname of Belarus is the White Rose. Then Albania, nickname of Albania is Land of Eagles. Then Australia, nickname of Australia is the Land of Beauty and Music. Land of Beauty and Music. Next one, Americas. Nickname of Americans country. In that first one, Venezuela. The nickname of Venezuela is Land of Grass. Land of Grass. Then United States of America. The nickname of United States of America is the Land of the Free. Land of the Free. Then next one, Child, Land of Poets. Nickname of Child is Land of Poets. Then Canada, the Great White North. The nickname of Canada is the Great White North. Then Brazil, nickname of Brazil is Land of Palms. Land of Palms or Pindorama. There are two nicknames. Brazil have two nicknames. Then Peru. Next one is Peru. The nickname of Peru is Land of the Incas. Land of the Incas. Next one is Middle East. Middle East countries. Lebanon, Switzerland of the Middle East. The Lebanon, nickname of Lebanon is Switzerland of Middle East. Then Israel, the nickname of Israel is the Holy Land. Then New Zealand, Land of the Long White Cloud. Nickname of New Zealand is the Land of Long White Cloud. Australia, Land of Down Under. The nickname of Australia is Land Down Under. Then South Africa, Rainbow National. Nickname of South Africa is Rainbow National. Then Rwanda, Land of Thousands Hills. Land of Thousands Hills. Then Egypt, the Gift of Nile. Egypt, nickname of Egypt is the Gift of Nile. Then Lesotho, the nickname of Lesotho is the Kingdom in the Sky. The Kingdom in the Sky. Then Madagascar, the nickname of Madagascar is the Red Island. Red Island. So here we completed that our chapter. The chapter name is Nickname for Countries Across the World. In a book we are going to learn that few nicknames like 6 to 8. But here we studies in detail of every country's nickname of every countries. I hope everyone understand, and thank you and have a nice day.